2001 Honda Stream. It comes with 34,007 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away.
Hello.
Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continued support. We truly